In this guide, I'm going to show you how to find the 0-point Sprite in Fortnite using one of the fastest farming routes. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before starting, you're going to want to turn on visualize sound effects so that sprite chests are easier to locate through walls and at different elevations. So turn that on first, and we have a full separate video going over that. You should also carry mobility and a portable extractor because finding the 0-point sprite does not permanently add it to your collection until you do successfully extract it. But for the route, and this is what I would recommend doing because it is the most successful, you're going to want to go ahead and start at the chopped shop right here. Check the 3 possible sprite chest locations around this area, and then move south towards Calamari Canyon over here and check the 4 possible chest spawns there. After that, continue towards the 0-point area, kind of in the middle of the map directly. And once you're in the 0-point area, go ahead and search the 4 nearby chest locations. They're kind of scattered all around this area, just like so. Finally, just finish the route over at the Battlewoods. So essentially, you're going in a big square. You're going boom, right? You could also check over in the far corner at this little square because there is possible sprite chest spawns up on top of this roof. And if the battle bus, starts closer to Battlewoods, you could just complete it in reverse instead, with starting on Battlewoods, going down to the 0-point, hitting up Calamari Canyon, and then hitting up Chopped Shop. If you do have a lucky locator with a few sprites left uncollected, you can of course use it because it can lead you directly to a sprite chest containing the sprite that you still need, but that's the full process. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.